The sum of three consecutive whole numbers is 33. So if I say n is the smallest of the consecutive whole numbers, right? Consecutive means one after the other. So we have n, the next number has to be n plus 1, and the number after that is n plus 2. So this is saying that the sum of all of this, so n plus 1 plus n plus 2, has to be 33. You have three n's here, so we can say this is 3n plus 3. Okay, and we can solve for this, right? 3n plus 3 has to be 33. So this means that by inspection, 3n must be 30. Now if I multiply a number by 3 to get 30, then n has to be 10. Check our work by plugging it back into here. The left-hand side is going to be 3 times 10 plus 3, which is 30 plus 3, which gives us exactly 33. Okay, so this is correct.